Hi everyone. In today's video, I want to review this kind of tiny OLED display for the Arduino. So just got this off Amazon, and you can see here there are 4 wires. So first, let's talk about the wiring real quick. You have the ground, that's obviously going to go to the ground. The VCC, this is the 5 volt. You have the SDA, that one is going to go to pin A4, and you have the SCL, and that's going to go to pin A5. So I got this Arduino Nano. Well, this is not exactly an Arduino Nano, but it's an alternative, and I just wired up the display and I installed the library and uploaded the code. So let's give it a run and see how this works. This is kind of my power supply here. So let's kind of power this on and let's look at the display. So as you can see, this works just fine. I did find the library and the code online for this that I will share with you, obviously, in the description. So you don't have to kind of worry about this. I'll provide all the details and the steps on how to kind of get this all working. So let's get to the computer, and we can look at the how to install the library and the code to make all this work. Okay, so now we're here. I want to show you first the OLED that I purchased, which is this on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the description. Here, I wanted to kind of show you the wiring diagram, which I will also have show up on the video somewhere. They have a nice diagram here showing on their Amazon listing page. Now, the next step here, I want to show you the library that we are going to use to be able to run this uh, the screen. So this is the GitHub repository for this library. I'm going to copy the library name from here just so I can go and install this. The last page I want to show you is this article that I found online that kind of detailed everything and give you also a sample code to run uh, where you can have like this kind of uh, OLED display work. I'll leave also a link to that article in the description. Now let's install the library. So here, this is a new sketch, and we're gonna go on Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries, and then we search for that name that we just copied. Here, I can choose the version. Obviously, I'm gonna get the latest, and then I'm gonna do install. This is telling me that there are some dependency that comes with this library. In this case, we do want them all. So here it's asking if we should install just this library without the dependency or everything. In this scenario, we want everything, so I'm going to click install all. It's going to do its thing, takes about a second, and now we're done. So this is it. We added the library. Now all we need to do is to upload the code to the Arduino Uno or your Nano or whichever Arduino version you're using for kind of a simple way to get you started. You can probably copy this code here and modify it a little bit to fit your need. Uh, I'll leave a link to this article. Like I said, this is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.